My name's Charlie Ward, welcome to Charlie's Chicken. Our menu's really simple. We do a big box, which is a burger, waffle fries, popcorn, inner fillets chopped up, strips, garnished with chili flakes, mixed herbs, and then our secret sauce. Our chicken's fresh every time it comes to me. We don't freeze produce. It's hand marinated, it touches our hands. It's a simple idea in a sense, but a lot goes into it. I think the problems from using the tiny tabletop fries we couldn't put out the mass orders, you know. If I've got 2 tabletop fries, you can count on one hand how many strips you can do, evenly, rightly cooked, pulling them up, probing every piece of chicken. When you're dropping cold product into it, the oil temperature comes down, so then your cook will be longer the next time if you're constantly cooking. And the cleaning the next day of the pan underneath. I don't want this van and have rubbish fries in there. From speaking to Jestic themselves and doing the research that I've done, looking around the country, looking what the big places in America use, there's a reason those businesses use Henny Penny. Ultimately, we built this kitchen around those fries, from the time of the cooks to the speed to the oil. Quality is our main objective, and that's what these machines give. It's like having a member of staff when you stand back and it does the work for you, which when you're busy, you want that, so it does give back. Everyone always looks first off, it doesn't matter how good something is, the price. The cost's a lot at the beginning, but I've been on the flip side. We want longevity with this business, that's why we bought the machines. If we didn't see longevity and weren't quality and everything else, I would have stuck different fries in there like. But when you go to every detail that we do, there's a reason why they're in there. Henny Penny, to me, is unmatched because I've used the other products, and that's what I'll always use. This does what I need it to do in the volumes I need it to do. So yeah, I can only stress to anyone that Henny Penny is the best. So if you want to find us on Instagram, it's Charlie's Fried Chicken. Whether it's a trailer going around the country, the premises, which is in Water Orton, try the food, let me know.